Let's do more with the file system. So, before you learn several commands, like pwd to show the current directory, ls to list the files in the current directory, and find to find files on the file system. But we didn't really go over creating files, moving files and deleting files. So, to create a file, you can always use the touch command, touch whatever file, and that creates the file. If I list the files, you'll see some file txt has been created now. We can make directories using the mkdir command. Let's create our own directory. We created a directory course, we can list it. So, you'll see when I list folders, you'll see we have a directory called course. Now we can also remove a file using the rm command. So rm, let's say some file, list the files again, and you'll see some file has now been deleted. So, rm space with whatever file name deletes a file. Keep in mind that this is the command line. There is no cycle bin or trash can. When a file is deleted, it is really deleted from your system. You cannot delete, let's say, a file. You can copy files using the cp command. So, when you type cp with some file name, and then type the new file name that copies the file name you specify. So, cp space the source file to the destination file. If I list the files, you'll see it creates a new file. And that file is identical with the other file because it's a copy. With cp, you make a copy. You can move files around with the mv command. So, we can type mv with the file name. And let's move it into the directory that we just created, so into the course directory. So mv is now gone from this directory. If we enter the course directory, list the files, you'll see that the file is now inside that directory. So, you'll see I'm in home Kali Kali course. And in that directory, now there is the time.txt because we moved it. Now to determine the file type, you can type the file command. So, you can type file with, for example, time.txt. And it tells you, okay, this is an ASCII text file. Now all of the files, of course, I created are text files. But if you don't know, you can always use the file command and it will tell you what kind of file are we looking at. Now let's delete this directory. So, I'm going to move one directory up, change directory, ... and remove using rm-r and then directory. Now that directory has been removed. So, r is recursive, so it deletes the whole directory and lists the file folders. And you'll see the course directory is now gone. We deleted it using the rm commands. So that's enough for today. Thank you guys, see you in the next video.